Hello everyone. I'm just checking the last sound and video resolutions. Okay, my sound and the music seems enough, I think. What is the video resolution here? So the video resolution is, video quality is nice. 720 pixel with 60 frames per second. Okay. Seems enough. Yeah, as a quality it seems enough, honestly. Okay, that seems nice, at least. Let me check the other science, streaming science and technology category in Twitch. XAV, hello, welcome. Just checking the last settings for the stream. I hope the sound settings and my music settings seems fine. That's nice. Okay, everything seems fine right now. So today we just try to stream in an early hours, based on our regular stream hours. So maybe we need some. Oops, yes, we listed in the live streams page as well. So let's create a new one. Let's create a string of private clash, and maybe someone will join. And fastest and reverse. Let's copy the link, and I just passed it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. Yep, the Remy bot still works here, as you can see. Okay, Hamza joined. Sergey, hello. Okay, Thibaut is also seems online, but I want him in my team since he has probably some more important things to do. Oh, Sergey is a Yandex developer. Oh, that's nice. Okay, we are here with 3 people for the first clash in the stream. For all strings enclosed in double quotes, return the sum of the lengths of all strings found, including the delimiters. The escape signifier may be present and they count as one character. Okay, what are the test cases? Okay. 1 and 2. One and two. Oh, that seems hard. Um, um, okay, let's calculate start and index for all of them, all the characters. So, but escape and maybe present, they count as one character. Okay. So if he is if start isn't 0, that means we have to calculate the end one. So end should be and counter plus equal and minus start. But I have to calculate somewhat different for these special characters. Do I need to do that? Maybe. We probably have an error. Cypher also joined. Welcome. If we get that character, that means we have to start from the current index. So how can I use this as a counter? For example, oops. Wait a second, why this didn't even work? 0? Really? That's fine, because I start that one. Is it 0? I'll start with 0. when I get here, pa-pam-pam. Wait a second. Let's call this -1. Yeah, let's call this -1 because it should work in for that case. Found 8, expected 5. Really? Found. How the hell is found will be an 8? No, it's calculate like that. Um, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and oops, is there. Should be -1. Okay then. So what are the, let's play all test cases. Found 26, expected 9. Oh, this should be 26. So if I get a third that character, wait a second, what if I Sodex, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. So what if I split by that character? And I will take the odd length items. Maybe that one will be better. Can you explain the question? Sure. The explanation is here. Given a line of code, look for all the string enclosed in double quotes. Return the sum of the lengths all the strings found, excluding the delimiters. The escape sequences are with 2 backslash and backslash double quote. May they represent as they count as one character. So, for example, like this hello example, it should all calculate the sum of the all characters length, which is hello, which is output is 5. So maybe this is not the right approach. Maybe I should array is that character and maybe not right line array that var comma e and the odd length em of 0 and select as of length and there's sum. Let's calculate this one. Oh my goodness. Did it work? No. Test 5. What's the wrong test 5? Okay. So should I replace with delimiters that one with that one. And replace with that one and with that backslash. Okay, I think I don't need that counter right now. Let's try this one. Let's play all test cases. Oops, it failed test 5. What is that 5? So I should with one character and replace with. Oops, there's no. Wait a second, why it didn't pass the other ones? That's 6 plus 7 and 8 also failed. 1, 2. What is the main reason here to not replace all of them? I just replaced these escape sequence characters like that. Okay. Kurokikaze, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream, but this should be not here. I mean, this should be like that, I think. Let's play all test cases. Oops. Really? Find all substring enclosed in double quotes and return the sum of their lengths. Yes, this is what I try to do here. But these escape sequence characters are completely. I could have gone better approach with state machine, by the way. Okay, you can still join the next one also. Oh, you are Sergey. Oh, okay. I mean, I don't know, maybe I can submit it, so I have no time to solve this. Yeah, 62%. Difficulty, I mean, I kind of failed to escape sequence character, so statement and test case relevancy is ideal. Sergey, can you please share your code as well? I mean, so other people can see. Thank you. So yeah, we can extend the next one until we first we check all the submissions. I almost done the same thing. I replaced the first 4 these backslash characters with DS. Oops, Rikuge, I'm giving you timeout. On timeout, sorry. Sometimes bots are quite crazy, which doesn't allow the pass the link to the chat. So I'm giving you on timeout. You can write here probably right now. Okay, so you have to create a map from all the substrings in here. So, but only take the length that probably, which is the odd index. That means you have to take the all the double quotes as a group together for two double quotes as a grouping. I think, yeah. Okay, that seems nice. I mean, let's back to home and let's create a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. Whoa, we are now 7 people. That's nice. Link please, sure. Let me copy the link. Hamza, welcome. We are now nice people. 9 people, that's nice. Firas is online, let me invite him again. Given a 9 grid of digits with 1 row missing, find the missing row. Every row and every column of the grid must have each digit of the 1 to 9 exactly once, so no digit appears twice within the any row. Oh, it's like Sudoku. Okay. I thought I have a very nice idea. Bell 5S, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. I think I have a very nice idea here. So when I get a row, or this is a short mod, but I don't care too much. J++. So sums I is Silver Mango. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Can you do JavaScript? No, I don't know the JavaScript. I mean, I just know a little bit JavaScript, so but probably not enough for the Clash. But there are a lot of people solving with JavaScript as well. So row J is minus 0. So with that array, I need to sum all the numbers from the column. So that's plus operator as well. Not the I, the J. So string cat array dot select I and what is the sum of the 1 to 9? So it is 9 multiple 10 divided by 2, which is 45. 45 minus I. Oops, not array, it's sums. Let's try this one. Oops. Oh, there's always. Oh, there's always. Huh. No, I shouldn't calculate only row. Doesn't start with question mark. I need to cut here and paste here. And let's try this one. Yes. This works for all of them. Let's try to make short as possible. I can delete all of them. My solution is as I don't need these arguments here. Sums with s. Oops. Not with row, it's right now. Okay, what are the other things I need to there isn't, I think. Okay, let's try to at least delete the white space right now. So I should delete the white space here. Doesn't matter, of course. Let's create a var here. I mean, if you're using C#, you probably don't have any chance to I shouldn't use starts with here because I can only check the first character. It probably will be the last character then. For example, R0 is not equal question mark. And I should delete all the white spaces here. Okay, and delete this, and delete this. I can delete this one also. Yes, these are also I can delete. I can delete this one and I can delete this one. Yeah. Okay, let's make it shorter then. And I also delete this. So let me check one more time so I can delete every unnecessary white spaces. Oh, there is a one here. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this is the best I can do in C#, by the way. Let's play out this case again, so I can be sure that I didn't delete the something necessary. Okay, that's fine. So I can submit my question and share my code as well. It is fun. It's quite fun. Difficulty, not that difficulty, honestly. Lucky 30, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Yep, exactly. C# is not a good choice for the short mod, but I can only know the level of the solving a clash of code for only C# language. So I can't use even for other languages, even if I want to. Statements and SK is ideal, so I can submit it. I mean, of course, Zax0706, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. I mean, I know because C# doesn't have any chance to other languages like, I mean, Python, Ruby as JavaScript, for example. Real Zana, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. So, but I don't know, maybe. But of course, it doesn't matter for me to solve the longest or the shortest one. What will be the shortest? I don't know, maybe people mostly use in Python and Ruby, as far as I know. Yep, Hamza solved in 69 characters in JavaScript. Okay, Sergey solved in JavaScript as well. Maybe he didn't try to make short, so it only writes as a normal way he writes, I think, which is 371 characters. Syntax also solved in Python. I mean, he didn't even delete these unnecessary comment lines. Yeah, Sadex, I mean, in shortest mode, you have to write the shortest one as much as possible. So people write usually all the code in just one line and delete all the characters and unnecessary characters like white spaces, and delete all the long unnecessary variable names, for example. I don't think comments count in the code guide. I'm not sure about that. I mean, they might be or they might not. I'm not sure about that. Rohit Kumar, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, we have 2 minutes left. There are also still 5 people clashing here. Remy Rams, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. What is my GitHub name? It is the same, my name and surname. It is Soner Gonul, but I don't have too much activity in GitHub, honestly. Unfortunately, I mean, this is the worst thing as a programmer, but I know, but I can't have too much activity on GitHub. Plus sold in 194 characters. Okay. So, Tiept solving 50% score in maybe he failed some no, he will just, I think, consider the question mark in here. That's weird, I mean. Okay then. And Clash is ended. Team solve in Python with 8 characters only. Whoa, what's going on here? We cannot compare with Python. Often the language has more built-in APIs. Exactly, I mean, it doesn't matter for here, I think, to, complete the first one as the second one or the last one. I think it's important only here to solve the problem. Okay, war in spaces as an input. If not, it's oh, that's a very nice, by the way. That's very nice. How? That's a very nice solution. He sums everything exactly. And then he tried to subtract with all possible sums, and that's why you get only the last one. Like 45 method, but for the whole thing, nice. Yeah, I really like it. Exactly. that are nice, honestly. Okay, let's back to home and let's start private clash and let's start a new one. So I just copy the link here and pass it to chat, so you can still join with that link. Okay, let me invite Thibault. Maybe he will join. I mean, he's probably some more important things than the other to joining us, but yeah, I think he has something to other things. Can't join right now. Wow, we are not 12 people. Yasin, welcome. Rohit, welcome. Yeah, not 12 people. That's nice. D-Boy has also joined. We are now 13 people. Makara Masuko, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, now yes, it's the fastest one. We are working in government security department. Your task is to analyze all packets sent over the network. All information are encrypted using the Vigenare's encryption formula, and the chipher is sent. You are given a key and have to decrypt the message. You have to find the decrypted message. Each character is decoded independently of other characters. The white spaces are ignored. The key has to repeat it. Okay, what is this chipher means? A generic chipher. Each character, the key has to be repeated to match the length of the string or message. If the key is longer than the message, only the part of the key matching the size of the message will be used. Input 1 message, a key act, output thank you. And it's like unencrypted. So there is an encrypted one. So here it says if the key is longer than the message, only the part of the key matching the size of the message will be used. So that means for example, for this one, is there any like that? No, there isn't like that. So as an input, a string message to be decrypted, output unencrypted. Okay, so Baho, welcome. So I have to calculate the original string here. Okay then. Or I should write result. Our result is 1. Then I have to iterate all the encrypted string characters. Less than text a plus plus. But I also consider here for the code part as well. I mean the key. A less than code dot length. So var current character is text I minus code I. This might be the less than 0, so I need to add 26 and I module 20. Which is of course integer. Bartu Bey, thanks for follow, welcome to stream. RC is I mean, why would I do that? I don't need even to do that here. I mean, I just need to test here, so it will create a representation of it. And I just need to add the results, I think. Do I need any other duration here? Let's play all test cases. What? Okay, what did I wrong here? Oh, no. This is the... Oh, that's not the case. I don't need to, for example, or let's say order this one and var is order plus is all the lowercase, yeah, all the lowercase. And I cast the car. Let's try this one, play all test cases. Wait a second. But if I... Oh, if the key is longer than the message? No. The key has to be repeated to match the length of the string or message. Oh. Okay, I totally missed that. Commodore 64. Thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Yeah, it's ASCII. That's why I have to increment with that order and cast it to char. But I need to repeat the key until this length. So okay, let's complete it again. How can I change the... So I shouldn't do it here at all. But if I can't do it here, oh my goodness, I can't even think about it. So should I repeat the key until the decrypted message length? Solve this. How can I extract this one? I mean, how about like this? I should delete this one and I mount code.length. Is this work? It never overflows. It never overflows, and for the first one, for example, if you take the for the one, it will take... No, it will not take. Oh, since do mod 1, yeah, it should return 0 if I is bigger than code length. Okay, let's try this one. Oops. I have to ignore the white spaces. Okay. What are there any things to ignore? White space are ignored. Okay, so text I not oops. Oh my goodness, my time. If else result plus equals empty string. Is this cover all the test cases? Okay, let's play all test cases again. What? What am I missing here? I don't even see what am I missing here, so I mean, I don't know, my time is up. My current code. It passed. Oh, 50%. That's nice. White space does not use code, so it skips forward. Oh, so if in my else, no, I thought in my else part I should increase the I, but because it's always increased all the iteration here. I don't know. I mean, hidden less than big D is used white space, but shouldn't. Oh, there's an uppercase letters? Oh, I thought the question was only about the lowercase letters, because it's written like that. It only contains lowercase letters. Oh, I didn't take that. Oh, that's nice. I mean, Tempt, Tibet, Q64, Sergey, Rohit, and Sol as a perfect score. If it is white space, print white space. If it is not, order that character and order code I.length code. Okay, and print the and character as an order I plus K module 26 and E++. Not I exactly. I just use separate variable for the number of letters skipped. Oh, now I see. Now I see. Okay, that's nice. Let's check Tibet's code as well. I mean, yep, he does the same things. And that's cool. Let's say Sergey's once. Code A, HR coded 0. Codes. Alpaca Josio, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, oh, you also skipped how many characters you skipped in here. Rohit, there is a button you already shared. Of course, you find it. Okay. There's a button but you already clicked it, so other people to join the clash, you can see your code as well. Okay, that's nice. I mean, I need to count maybe how many characters that I should skip here. That was my mistake in the code. Okay, that's nice. I understand at least what's wrong with my code. So back to home and start a private clash, and let's start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. Rohit, what did you write? Software at out. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Let me give you on timeout. Yep, I'm giving you timeout then. I mean, sometimes the bots are quite angry, quite aggressive. Yeah, I mean, sometimes when you write code in the chat, they thought it was a symbol or something. That's why they say please refrain from spamming symbols. No, you can't just write the code in the chat. People try to say you have to share your code in there's a share button, as you already did. So after the clash ends, other people can check your code as well. Okay, we are now 12 people here. Glitterin, hello, welcome. My friend says Python is cheating. No. I mean, what will be the cheating? Can you share the link again? Sure. Let me copy and paste it to chat. I pasted to chat again. You can join with that link. Okay, we are now 14 people here. A drawer contains marbles of 3 different colors: red, blue, green. Given amounts of each color marble, if 3 marbles are selected at random, figure out probability as a percentage rounded down that there will be 1 of each color in the selection. Line 9, RGB, number of blue marbles. The probability of selecting 1 marble for each color as a percentage of round. What? I didn't get it. Probability of selecting 1 marble of each color as a percentage output. So you have to take 3 marbles at the same time? No, not at the same time. If 3 marbles selected at random, figure out probability. Oh, okay. The code he writes is more code than the code I am writing. Okay, I understand now. But there is a... No, I mean... Now 3.8%. Oh, that's our total is R plus E. Result is, that means there will be rounded down. Okay. but there is a minus r divided by total and g divided by total minus 1 and b total minus 2. And as a result, I should multiply with 100. Since I have to write it as a percentage, maybe. Oh. Correct or not? Let me write here at least. What is the result here? What? Okay guys, I'm giving a 1 minute break and I will be back soon. And I'm back right now. So what is the 330 233? What? How even this possible that? Oh, this is, oh my goodness, I write here it's multiple, I mean well, this case like that. I miscalculate the probability here. I mean, it is r divided by total and g divided by total minus 1. and b divided by total minus 2. So I calculate them as a logical AND for every possibilities. Isn't that the right thing? Oh no, because I have to. Oh, I have to call some the other possibilities as well. I mean, if I first select the R. Oh, okay. Okay, I understand right now what my mistake is. There is a 6 possibilities that the order of the return all of them. 4, 5, 6. Yes. I think that will be right. So this is the RGB order. This is R, B, and G order. This should be starting with G, R, B, and this is start with G, B, and R. And these are should be B, B, R, RG. Okay, I think not B, it's B, yeah. Okay, let's play all test cases. Yes, this is perfectly gives me that one. So I have to multiple with that 100, and as a result I should write as an integer, which is the down the it only takes the integer parts plus with that character. So let's play all test cases here. What? Oh no, I should this one only multiples with only the last one. No, I should write like that, and result multiple by 100. Let's play all test cases. Oops. Mate, Emilkman, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Found 99%, but there's 100%. It tastes 4. How this will be generated 99? Okay, this is a custom maybe we need to write. Okay, how this thing fails for all the elements RGB will be 1. There's something with here, maybe the floating point calculation. But if I write it as a hard coded, so it won't take. But this is the shortest one. I mean. Okay, total 3 This is kind of cheating, but if not, write this one. Okay, let's make it short as possible. Oops, no. No. Oh. Let's delete all the unnecessary things here. Won't affect too much, but I try my best at least. Yeah, control hash, yeah. Let's try red, this one. I don't know. What? Delete it's unnecessary. I mean, it's hard to delete all the white spaces like that. For example, if I 700, oh okay, I have only 40 seconds, so okay, and I should delete these ones, and okay, I think I can also delete these ones. Have only a few. Oops, did I write something necessary? Maybe not. Okay, my current code. You can do it with this space too. Yes, Hilter, I need to delete all spaces, but I don't have too much time. This is the shortest mode, 24 Kotaro, which is the you need to write the shortest code possible, so your code doesn't have to be beautiful. Your code doesn't have to be nice. Hilter, I know you are from Turkey, but the stream is English, so okay, Miracle Solvent 83%. It's fun. I mean, it's difficulty. I mean, I think exciting should be here because I really like the possibility of calculation of the possibilities. Difficulty perfect. Statement size test case ideal, so I can submit it. Because there's a 6-way to select all the possible colors. For example, you have, as I write in here, you can choose the red, green, and blue, and then also you can choose the which part? Red, green, and blue. You can choose the red, blue, and green, and you can choose blue, green, red, and you can choose blue, red, green, and you can choose the green, blue, red, and green, red, blue. There is a six ways to select the distinct selection. Always hated probability at school. Exactly, 3, yeah. Miracles calls it beautiful. Let's check him. Okay, there's a S is the Descrowd. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, this is the sum of all the ways. So oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. That means you have to take, since one of the take, you have to take one of them. So every time you pick a marble, it will increase, or it will decrease one. So you have to divide by S and S minus 1, S minus 2. Oh, that's very nice. That's very nice, actually. I didn't remove the imports. Yeah, I mean, for the shorts mod, you have to remove all the things unnecessary. Since when you have been streaming English, last time I saw you were streaming Turkish. Yeah, I mean, this is a CodinGame stream, so most of the CodinGame streams will be English right now. Yep, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. That's nice, actually, that's very nice. Okay, let's back to home. Start a private clash. Let's start. And I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link. Oh, we didn't check Hamza's code. Maybe we will check later. Reverse? I mean, okay, we can do that. Okay, let's create a pool. Let's create a pool, as we all love the democracy here. Manage pools. That's not one. New pool. So next question, mod. So response is all. Only reverse. Only shortest. Only fastest. Or reverse plus fastest. Okay, for 10 bits per vote, you can also vote, and it allows to give you additional votes for 10 bits. And duration is 3 minutes, so I start the poll. Oh, there's a poll command also. Oh, okay, I didn't know that. Oh my goodness, there's an 18 people right now. That's nice. There's a pool, by the way. For 10 bits, you can have an additional votes also. Short spot. You are rockstar of the year. Only when you get to the end of your best guitar solo do you realize that you didn't plug your guitar. Some people threw one thing each other at you all the once. You are in the middle of the room. 10. Okay. The pool is live right now. You can vote it, by the way. Next question, for the next question, what we should create as a mode? We can choose all of them: only reverse, only shortest, only fastest, or reverse and fastest mode. Luckily, you never play without your programmable robot, Crobot. Crobot gets the location of people throwing stuff. You need to make Crobot print if you need to crouch distance less than 1 or not. What's the meaning of crouch? I didn't know that word. So I just stand up, crouch, crouch, crouch. Always with stand up and ends with stand up. This is the repeated one. So it's stand up in first second and the other second is also stand up. No, you're already stand up, by the way. Stand up, crouch, stand up, crouch. Okay. What are the objects that behind this? What is the most reasonable way to calculating at least behind when the objects behind of him? You need to make from a print if you when the last shuts down, when the last object is behind you after telling you stand up. Crouch, crouch. How many times? 10 times. Okay. Crouch and oh, two objects at the same time. Oh. I should increase all of them at the same time. Aha. I should decrease the same. Oh, that's nice. That's a very nice question, by the way. I really like it. Yeah, I mean, Sergey, I really like it too. So, so you have to decrease all the values at the same time, and when you hit 10, you have to crouch for any of them, for X or Y coordinate. For X or Y coordinate, you have to hit 10, you have to crouch. Then after the next second, for example, if there is no 10 here, that means you can stand up. I think I understood it clearly, but I probably couldn't solve this in 6 minutes left. So how can I? Let me try at least something. So I have to write stand up. No, I shouldn't write stand up. If there's 11, for example, you have to map starting coordinates into arrival times, then them into crouch stand up strings. Yeah, I mean, but the point is, if I can write in last 5 minutes or not. So there's a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I always start with stand up and end with all the things I should write here. So let's while oh my, I should check all the list elements with x and y coordinates, that if they are all less than 10, which is the past the person. Oh, I probably can write it in time. I think I clearly understand the question and the solution as well. For example, since you have all the x and y coordinates add to that list as an array, for example, for how many points as a given as an input, so you have to check while you have to check all the elements is less than 10, which is the current position, and that means you have to increase by 1 for all the iteration, and if there is any 10 x and y, it doesn't matter. If there is any 10 in that item in that list, so that means you have to crouch, because you hit the objects hits you, so you have to crouch. If there is no 10, you have to stand up. But in 2 minutes, it's not possible to write in at least C#. I mean, maybe some other languages can be written, but not in C#. Can you show the test name? I want to do it separately. Test name, I mean, what is the test name exactly? There's a test name here. Oh, you mean the explanation? No, name. Name? What is the... I don't know what you try to say. I'm honestly... task name. Is there a test name for Clash? Where can I see the test name exactly? I mean, I don't know honestly, where can I see the test name, even if there is one. Okay, the clash is complete, so we couldn't solve this. Okay, miracle solved in Python. Mr. Standard, there are two people also solved this the perfect way. So let's check his code. Oops. Stand up 21 times. Does this mean 21 times stand up as a string array? Maybe. And mapping to all the inputs, splitting with space, I think. And oh, there is an Euclidean calculation here. So there is for every coordinates. Oh, that's very nice. That's so nice actually. You have to calculate the Euclidean distance between two points. And you have to that indexes as a crouch. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. And then join S with that n plus 2. Can you show me how to share the code? I'm sorry for asking something silly, but after I press the button share the code, nothing happens. No, it should happen. You have your code can be written, can be shown as a view code next of the name. Like this one, Rohit. Let me check it. Where's your? Yeah, we can see your code here. That means you already click it. Share my code, and we can see your code now. You already done it actually. Yeah, I mean, that's very nice. Let's check Mr. Standard's code as well. He appends all the Euclidean distance between the current person and the point. What is C here? Since is less than 1 or not equal minus 999. Okay, this is the value that we'll never get probably. Is true and x if else x bigger than 1. If C, print crouch, else print st, which is stand up. Okay, that's nice. Okay, let's back to home and let's start a private clash. And let's start a new one. I just copied the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link. G Colwand, welcome. Young Doodle, welcome. PogJamp, welcome. Is it possible to add more time? No, the time is always 15 minutes. You can change it. Not for private clash. Yeah, we are now 12 people. Your goal is to visualize paths of your robot ants, which strictly follows the instructions it's given when you start it. The ant moves vertically and horizontally in a grid. Start field and end field, each visited field are remarked with X, each unvisited field with a space. The instructions composed to up, down, left, right. For instance, for an input, up, right. But where is this? What is this start position? Each visited field with a space. Link please, sure, I passed it to chat. Sunflow, welcome. So what is the start and index?
I noticed the lights
in
were on.
here.
I thought you might be home. I wasn't sure.
Oh, this is the starting index then. Up. R. No, this is not the starting index. Oh no, up. It's 2 up. Oh. Right, down. Oh wow. That's a very nice question actually. How can I write this as a string? Okay, let's what is the test cases here? Are there too much? It should be the maximum number of up, down, left and right. But oh, but you have to, wow, you have to field unvisited fields with a space. Paris, welcome. Oh, that's a very nice question actually. How can we solve this? Wow, that's very nice. I really liked it. Yeah, you can take the link back. I mean, I can't. I'm sorry. Ossaman, sorry. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. I mean, this is very nice question. Wow. So let's rethink. So can we solve this? So what are you doing? We are doing some Clash of Code in CodinGame. If you don't familiar with CodinGame, it's a programming website, so you can solve a lot of kind of problems in CodinGame. The Clash of Code is one of the type of the questions in there. Clash of Code means that we create a private clash. That means so I created something like a room. So I pasted the link of that room in the chat, so people can join with that link, and we try to solve a programming problem in 15 minutes. So as you can see here, there's an explanation site in the left part. So there's a coding site here. You can choose which languages you want from that list. I mean, CodinGame supports a lot of programming languages. So you can choose which one fits you. So you have to write your proper code to solve the question, as I explained here. And there's also in here test cases. As you can see here, there's also test cases. For this question, there are 5 test cases. So every test cases have then inputs and outputs. For example, the question gives you that input, and your code should return as an output like this. And if the program gives you R as an input, your program should print like this. So if all the test cases, if your code passed all the test cases, you can submit it. There are 3 types of Clash of Codes, which means it is the shortest mode, it is the reverse mode, and it is the fastest mode. Shortest mode, you need to write the shortest possible code as much as you can. Fastest mode, you have to solve the problem completely as fast as you can. And reverse mode, there is no explanation of the question. There are only test cases that giving you. There are only inputs and outputs. For example, usually the system gives you 6 or 5 test cases, and you have to write a proper code that handle all the test cases. Tibet solve as a 100%. Wow, that's nice. So it lets you do games or fix them. No, not actually the games, but the game part here to compete to other programmers who joins the clash. I mean, for the shortest code, you need to find the shortest code. You need to write the shortest code possible. For the fastest code, you need to solve the problem as fast as you can. There is a programming problems. There are a lot of kind of programming problems. For example, this one is an interesting one. There is an explanation here, and you need to write the proper code to solve what is the input comes to that one and what should be the output, for example. How did you learn coding? I mean, I learned in university. I read computer engineering in between 2005 and 2010. In the university, I learned coding. Do you have a Code Forces account? I do have a Code Forces account, but I solved a few problems in Code Forces, but I didn't even look at the website for a long time. Ericto solves a lot of Code Forces, by the way. If you probably know him, he's one of the best competitive programmers. He win a lot of, I mean, Google Code Jam, and there are a lot of competitive things that's created by some companies. He's even have some YouTube channel also, Ericto. I probably can't even solve this one. And I really like the questions. I really wanna look at the Tibet code. What is the proper way to solve this? What is the proper way to solve this? Bubblebee, thanks for follow, welcome to stream. You could count U and D and this give you one dimension array. Okay, Le and R give you second dimension. Okay, after that you can find starting position and draw the pitch. Draw the patch. I'm not sure I understand what you say. Hodor, hello. So left and right give you second dimension. Okay, and that you can find the starting position, draw the patch. But how can I find the, since you have to write the for the all the lines, I mean. I mean, for me, it's that question is too much for me. It looks like too much. I mean, I can't join your stream because of my school for a while. Oh, that's okay, Hodor. I mean, I can't. I stream also nights. I mean, after the 8 p.m. Turkish local time. Where is the music came from? The music came from the Lofi Hip Hop Radio, which is the YouTube channel. It is called Chilled Cow. Paris Mustafa, goodbye. Oh, Sergey was also solved. That's nice. I am really curious about the solution, by the way. Okay, let's submit it. I can't even solve this problem. Oh, Miracle is also solved. Okay, let's complete. Then we should check their solutions. Is this fun? I think it's an exciting question. Difficulty, it's kind of hard. Statement and test case ideal. Let me submit it. Dimensions -1 in the example. Okay, let's check the Tibet code. Let's check the first stargaze. Which one should we choose? Or Miracle? Yeah, I mean Miracle and Tibet code are similar. Let's check him first. So you have to. This array, or what is the meaning of 0 here? I mean there is no 0. What is the meaning of that 0 here? I mean, since you 10-inch 50, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. 0 is an array that contains one element, 0. Okay, if is R, that means x plus x minus 1. Oh, you have to create a minus. I didn't understand this one. X minus 1. What is the meaning of that? Plus 1. That R means. Oh, you need to get the previous one then. -1 is the index of the last element in array. W Mustafa, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Okay. Oh, since it goes right, it should be the last element as an y, because you are the same I position. So you increased 1 with x position. Okay, I understand these calculations then. X is u. What is u here? For every x, u minus min x. For u in x, that means that every that's list compression, I think. But what is the minimum of taking the minimum of x and y here? U minus min x and u minus min 1, min y. Tibet, can you please explain this? X is u min x for u in x, so it is normalize the list of x by shifting all values such that all values are positive. So they will go from 0, not from -1. Normalize the list of x by shifting all values such that all values are positive. Okay, so you have to do it both X and Y array. What does this zip means here? And you have to, this star means oh, Streamlabs, shut up. Like -1 0 1, it is 0 1 2. Oh, okay. Okay, then I understand. What does this zip means here? And there's a star between zip. Oh, what is the meaning of this? Star is to expand. Oops, let me untime out. Star is to expand the list. Zip take the list and create a list of tuple. Yes, you can write this one, Pins. Oh, star mean 3.ingest. Oh, okay. For each list, values for each list. Zip takes the list and created list of tuple from the values of each list. Okay. For j in range max y plus 1, print and x e max y minus j in p. If x equals a, b and y 0 1, zip will pair them as a0 and b1. Star unpacks into list. Oh, okay. I understand. For e in range max x plus 1, then max y minus 1 minus j in p. Okay, kind of not perfectly understand, but kind of understand what you did here. Okay, and Miracle has also solved it with similar way, I think. Let's check Sergey's code. Instructions: reduce fpos, increase u for switch, increasing u. Wait a second. Browse. Rest operator. Oh, okay. So take rest in here as a function. So position 0 and position 1. So if you go up, it should increase the position y. Okay, I understand that. Reducer turns array of instructions into array of visited coordinates, like 0 0 0 1 1 1, etc. Yeah, I will fix it. I will fix it. Please don't worry. Okay, then you have to fix all of the positions here. Coordinates calculation, final pick, result F and result position. Oh, you need to write for the writing as a matrix, for example. You need to calculate all the elements as a minimum x and maximum x and minimum y and maximum y. Okay, I understand that one as well. Final pick is positions history plus final position offhand. Dimensions calculation. Okay, painter. For let x mean x, x small x less equal max x plus plus. This is the classic iteration, and final pick sum. Oh, if you for these ones, if they don't have what does this line 37 do exactly? You create an array here. Oh, okay. I think you create an array and then just iterate over the coordinates, and it is the visited array. Paint with x creates rows. Okay, how can you think and type this fast? It's all about I mean practices probably. So if this is somewhat if there is an already calculated here. Tony Dev, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. If there is an already way, you put that index as an x, and if not, there is an space in that index. So you after for all the painters, at least not for the painters, but you need to rest as a painter here. So you need to map rows as a join, and you have to write as a new line for every other rows. Wow, okay. Yeah, that's an iteration over all coordinates, yeah. I mean, it's nice, I mean, it's a very nice calculation. I really like it, by the way. Okay then. Faster ways to create an array of all spaces and iterate over final pick. Yeah, I mean, it will be probably faster, yeah. Okay, all. Yeah, I mean, it's all practice, right? I mean, you guys are probably one of the most doing some practices maybe every day. I mean, Sean, you have to do this regularly, by the way. I mean, you can't do one day and not do any practice after 3 days. It doesn't call a practice at all. You have to do it regularly. How long, how many years, totally depends on what you try to do. I mean, it depends on a lot of things, actually. You can start to practice here as in CodinGame, by the way. I mean, there are a lot of practices here. As you can see here, there are a lot of practices, puzzles, by the way. I mean, easy puzzles, medium, hard ones. Start with the easy ones, and there are a lot of learn here, so you can see and read a lot of articles, and you can even compete here. There are a lot of fall challenge is also coming. You can register. I never do some bot programming in CodinGame, but I registered as well. I mean, I will try my best. And yeah, I mean, it's all about the practices, by the way. Not too much. Maybe of course you have to do it too much, but no matter what you practice again and again and again, you will get better and you will get faster. So there's no magic bullet in I think, in my opinion, there's no magic bullet in programming. I'm sure you can agree with me as well. Okay, and let's call the day, by the way, guys. By the way, let's pass my social channels. Yeah, you can saw my Twitter and YouTube channels are also. I created YouTube and it's Turkish, but I try to solve there in lead code problems as well. Of course, if you want to support my channel, you can always subscribe my channel as well. I mean, it means a lot to me. Your support, it means a lot to me. So thanks for who joins with me today. I mean, if I can't say all of them: Tibet, Sergey, Miracle, Sean, Sunflow Team, Yasin, Belrap, PogChamp, Hamza, Seaboy, G-Call, Young QD, Rohit, Typhur. Thank you for all joining me today. I will be probably stream after 3 hours, so I need to 3 hours break right now. So tonight will be more hours stream as a CodinGame. So again, thanks for who joins me with me today, and I will rate the song Coding. Let's send him to our love and take care. Bye bye.
And yes, I am motivated by money. So I just want to